as this is concerned. Now listen in to some political reactions which are coming in on this story.
कठोर सर विकास दुबे का एनकाउंटर हुआ है
सर। विकास दुबे को एनकाउंटर में मारा गया, गाड़ी पलटी है, उसके बाद वो भागने की कोशिश कर रहा था, जिसके बाद
कानून ने अपना काम किया है। अफसोस और मातम की बात उन लोगों के लिए होगी जो लोग कल पकड़ लिया तो कह रहे थे कि जिंदा क्यों पकड़ लिया, आज मर गया तो कह रहे हैं कि मर कैसे गया, कई राज दफन हो गए। ये वो अफसोस कर रहे होंगे जो कल कुछ और कह रहे थे, आज कुछ और कह रहे हैं। कल दोनों जगह भाजपा की सरकार है ऐसा कह रहे थे। मित्रों, मध्य प्रदेश की पुलिस ने अपना काम किया, लेकिन सर गिरफ्तार करके उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस के हवाले कर दिया। पूछ लो, आपने गैस बनती रहेगी। हाँ।
सर, मध्य प्रदेश पुलिस खुद चाहती थी कि जो विकास दुबे सुरक्षित पहुंचे ही ना।
मध्य प्रदेश पुलिस उसको सीमा तक छोड़ के आई है। रात में उन्होंने अपनी सीमा की बॉर्डर से सुरक्षित उनको दे दिया है।
आपके पुलिस अधिकारी से सवाल किया गया क्या विकास दुबे सुरक्षित पहुंच पाएगा, तो उनका कहना था मैं उम्मीद करता हूं ना पहुंचे।
ये उनका सोच हो सकता है। इस वक्त आप गृह मंत्री का सोच पूछ रहे हैं, मैं अपना बता रहा हूँ।
दिग्विजय सिंह ने ट्वीट कर कहा है कि अब जो राजनीतिक कनेक्शन या अधिकारी,
कल वो ट्वीट कर रही थी कांग्रेस, कल सवाल खड़े कर रही थी ये जिंदा कैसे पकड़ लिया, इतना दुर्दांत अपराधी। आज मर गया तो कह रहे हैं कि मर कैसे गया, कहीं राज दफन हो गए। कभी आपने कहा है कि इतनी ज्यादा त्वरित उन्होंने किसी आतंकवादी के लिए करा हो? नहीं कर सकते वो। कांग्रेस का सोच और मानसिकता भी परिलक्षित होती है।
That was Narottam Mishra, Home Minister, Madhya Pradesh, in fact speaking to the media in Bhopal, saying that the Madhya Pradesh police did its job. They safely escorted him to the border of Madhya Pradesh. Then it was all over to the Uttar Pradesh police. The Uttar Pradesh police, there were apprehensions being raised about the safety as far as Vikas Dubey is concerned. Just about 20 kilometers from here, 25 kilometers from here is Kanpur city. And this is the spot where the life of a gangster, of a dawn of a man who had challenged the administration more than 160 cases against him, daring in fact murder of a BJP ruling party, 2001 ruling party minister. In fact, inside a police station, 25 policemen present at that murder, all of them turned hostile. Vikas Dubey is let off for lack of evidence. But this time, possibly, he bit more than he could chew. 8 policemen were killed. Chilling details about what he wanted to do and how he wanted to destroy the evidence as well. Yesterday, when he was in the custody of the Madhya Pradesh police, sources had informed us that Vikas Dubey had lined up, had put a heap of 5 bodies of the policemen, those who have been killed at his village, and he wanted to burn them to destroy the evidence. Could not do it because there were more police that had come at that point of time. The CO, who was particularly the Deputy Superintendent of Police, who was particularly raising questions about Vikas Dubey, about his nexus with the local police, about he also complained to the Superintendent of Police, SSP, Anand Dev at that moment, and wrote a letter to him. No action was taken as far as that letter is concerned. That CO, the Deputy SP, was in fact killed among the 8 policemen, and he was also brutally attacked with a sharp weapon on his leg, on his neck. The brutality of this entire incident was that shocked the country. It was almost a dare as far as the law and order situation of Uttar Pradesh is concerned. And let me also add, the Uttar Pradesh police has not come out smelling of roses as far as this entire conduct goes. 6 days, the police was busy circling, in fact, the studios in Noida, hoping that there would be a headline management grabbing, a big limelight sort of a situation where they would be able to pick up when he is going to, possibly going to surrender in front of the media, because they feared he will be gunned down. The police has so far killed 5 of accomplices of Vikas Dubey. Yesterday, his wife and his son were both picked up. Usually in a case from one state police to the other state police, there is a transit remand that is required. So the police, the police which arrest, the state police that arrest that person has to take the accused to the local court. The police which wants to take into custody, the state police which wants to take it into custody, has to go there, apply for a transit remand, and then the man is handed over. The Madhya Pradesh police yesterday, after detaining him in the morning, says that there was no case against him, and that is why he was detained. He was handed over to the Uttar Pradesh police without any transit remand, and since then the entire sequence of events which has been played multiple times. But this is the very spot, ladies and gentlemen, where the reign, the terror of Vikas Dubey had come to an end. But with his end, with his encounter, are the questions on the entire conduct of the Uttar Pradesh police, of the Kanpur police, and the Yogi Adityanath administration, on why and how the police had not learnt its lessons, on why and how it seems to be a deliberate, in fact, encounter, because he possibly knew too much, and people, those who know too much about the police, about the government, at this moment at least, are